In the mid-19th century, the Ottoman Empire enacted a series of land reforms, including the Tabu Law of 1858, which transformed land ownership and registration across the empire, including in Palestine. Prior to this, much of the land was held under traditional systems where ownership was often undefined, or communities and tribes maintained collective possession without formal titles. The Tabu Law aimed to streamline and modernize land ownership by establishing a comprehensive land registration system. It required landholders to officially register their land with the government. This registration rendered landholders liable for taxes and legally recognized them as owners. However, this well-intentioned reform led to unforeseen consequences for the local population in Palestine. Many Palestinian peasants, known as fellahin, were either unaware of the requirement to register their lands or cautious about the implications, such as potential taxation. As a result, a significant amount of land went unregistered. Opportunistically, this allowed wealthier individuals or those with better access to the registration process to acquire large swathes of land by registering it in their own names. In many cases, this meant that the land continued to be worked by the original inhabitants, now as tenant farmers instead of owners. Furthermore, the new system paved the way for absentee land ownership. Elite Ottoman officials and urban investors, many of whom did not reside in Palestine, exploited the situation, accumulating land without the intention to cultivate it personally. The resulting alienation of local peasantry from their ancestral lands sparked socio-economic disparities and laid the groundwork for future tensions. These dynamics played a significant part in shaping the socio-political landscape of Palestine, fostering disillusionment and contributing to the roots of the complex land disputes that persist to this day. Thus, the Tabu Law of 1858 served as a double-edged sword. While aiming to modernize the empire's agricultural sector, it inadvertently sowed seeds of grievances in Palestine. By examining this period, we gain insight into the historical forces that have influenced the regional conflicts and land issues continuing into the present.